Alright, so for this process, you're just going to need a couple things. You're going to want to go to ZeroSSL.com, which is where we're going to be generating our certificates. You're going to want your GoDaddy cPanel open, and you're going to want your downloads folder open. So go ahead and go to ZeroSSL, click the Online Tools button, click Start under the free SSL certificate wizard. Alright, once this loads up, in this domains text box right here, you're going to enter the www version and the version without the www. So for my example, I'm going to type in www.taboocustoms.com and just taboocustoms.com without the www. Go ahead and click these two and click Next. And this will probably take a while. Alright, and you will notice that it cleared our domains and it has all this text and stuff down here. Go ahead and download that, and then you're just going to hit Next again. Alright, once that's finally done with, you'll notice some text over here on the left side now, so go ahead and download that, and then click Next. Alright, now on this screen you will notice there are two domain keys. These are basically files that we're going to use to prove that we own the domain, so just go ahead and download both of those. And now go ahead and click over to your cPanel. Alright, now from here you're going to go to your file manager and drill into your public HTML folder. And then we're going to create a new folder in here called .well-known. So .well-known. And then we're going to drill into there and create another folder called acme-challenge. Drill into that, and then we're going to basically upload those two domain key files that we downloaded from ZeroSSL. So choose file, downloads, and it's these two right here with the really weird names. So that's the first one and the second one. Okay, and then once those two are uploaded, you should be able to go back to ZeroSSL, and if you click those, it should actually show you something right here. That's basically how you know that you uploaded them into the right place. So this is how they know that you do own this domain, because you just verified that you were able to upload these files. Alright, so after you're done with that, go ahead and click Next. Okay, it'll say your certificate is ready. You're just going to scroll down, go ahead and download these two just for your records. And now we are going to go back to our cPanel real quick. And you're going to scroll down until you see security, and you'll click this SSL TLS icon. And then down here at the very bottom, click this manage SSL sites. Okay, and from here we're going to go ahead and let's go ahead and select our domain right here. And now we need to go back to ZeroSSL to grab those certificates. So scroll down, go ahead and click copy on this one and put that in the first field. This one's a little weird because it's actually two keys in one. I'm going to select this bottom one here. And that's what we want. So cut that out of there. And we're just going to paste that down in the very bottom. Back to ZeroSSL, copy the second one, and paste it into this middle one right here. And you should see the three green check marks. So then go ahead and just click Install Certificate. Okay, and that's basically all you got to do.